What is up, fellows? We back again out here in Mexico. As you can see, it's nice and mountainous around here.
Kind of cloudy, but
yeah,
it's covering the heat, so that's good.
Yep. So what we're going to be doing today is some mountain drifting.
Facts. So we are in Mexico right now. This is the turn. It's a pretty bank turn, as you can see.
As you can see, somebody has been drifting this already.
That was not me, though. So currently on the side of the mountain. I got left behind. I'm gonna have to walk back, but this is the road we're doing it on. We're in Mexico, so do not worry, everything is okay. I'm a spotter, got spotter over here, and yeah, views on views. But here we go. Oh!
What was that? Okay, well, I think my undercarriage just scraped on a bunch of gravel. Or on something. That was kind of not it. Oh, diff started tripping out for a second. Okay, that was sick as frick. Get a different corner.
Huh?
Like the one up there.
Alright, so we changed locations. Alright, so we're in another spot. It's about to go. Like that's a sick window of a view.
Okay, fellas, this is our last run. I'm just gonna do a couple slides with Manuel in the car here, just so we can get some wide-angle lens shots. All right, ready? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I feel like it's probably gonna have to be it for now.
Probably. Alright guys, so that wraps up our mountain run, drifting run / in Mexico.
Yep.
So hopefully y'all enjoyed that.
I know y'all enjoyed that.
Oh yeah. We're gonna do a little bit more of this type of content maybe.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.